Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to tell you how you can show charging timing information on Samsung phone. So currently mobile is not on charging. First connected to the charging. Now as you can see the mobile is now connected on charging and mobile is off and there is no charging time information available. Now let's enable it. To enable it, I simply need to go to my settings, scroll down and go to battery. From here, scroll down and go to charging settings. From here, you will see show charging information. Enable this option. Now, after enabling it, go to home screen. Now, as you can see, the information is visible. It takes 5 hours and 35 minutes to fully charge my mobile. So I hope you like this video. If you do like, please hit like, subscribe, and I will meet you in next video.